Welcome to Mobility Everyday. Today's video is one about deep spinal release, but not what you think. We'll be moving, but with a lot less effort because we'll be pulsing our way to releasing the tightness in our spinal and our hip joints. So get yourself comfortable, seated on a mat, and start to rotate your spine to one direction. As you rotate your spine to one direction, you find that one leg tends to be shorter than the other. Totally normal because your spine is rotating with the pelvis, and the pelvis will bring the corresponding leg back. It's all good, just allow it to happen. So gently rotate a little bit by looking sideways up at a diagonal angle. Allow your pelvis to bring the leg along, gently pulling it to the back as you rotate. And feel free to just take it at your own pace. Rotate to as far as you can, but we don't want to use our head, neck, shoulders to rotate so much. The movement comes from the pelvis, and feel how your pelvis is moving with the spine in this gentle movement. You might gradually feel your hand moving slightly lower down towards the ankle. That is your body slowly releasing more and more. Now let's come to bending one leg and gently just pulse your way down. See, my hand is moving lower and lower towards the ankle and foot, and then let the spine reach down as much as possible. You will feel a deep release of the side of the torso. Repeat the same onto the other side here. Let your shoulders ease and let your elbows ease as well, and let your head just naturally relax downwards. Rotate your spine and relax sideways downwards here. We are gently releasing the side of the spine and torso without forcing, in a way that feels gradual. Straighten both legs forward, lean forward a little bit, and gently draw your legs back in diamond shape. We are working with the legs here by bringing it back, scooping the belly in, curling back a little bit, moving forward, pointing the toes, and let our spine go forward gradually. So scooping back, bringing the legs in. Straighten the legs and gradually bringing the spine a little bit more forward, releasing downwards each time. Take it at your own time. Scoop back a little more each time and releasing downwards a little more each time. Gently moving the body as one. The legs, pelvis, and spine working together in harmony, collaborating with each other. It's a little bit of a body coordination here, but once you get the hang of it, you will feel how this is one smooth motion. So bend one knee, bring it in as deep as possible, only if you can bring it deeper. If not, go to a point that you're comfortable with. Gently side bend by facing almost 90 degrees outwards from the direction of the straight leg, and slowly let the spine melt down sideways. Repeat the same onto the other side here. The bent knee and the straight leg to be at an almost 90-degree angle, or 90-degree angle if you can. But if not, go to an angle that you feel comfortable with. Important thing is we rotate the spine and melt down sideways here, gently opening up the torso, the spine and ribs on the side. We often work our body at a frontal plane, moving forward and back, but we don't move the body in this sideways angle enough. So take your time and feel the side of your body slowly opening up by reaching down towards your ankle or foot as much as you can. Bring your legs in diamond shape, arching your spine, looking diagonally up, curling your spine and looking down to the mat. Looking up at the sky, opening the chest, looking down, curling. And feel like you're reaching your nose to the point between your knees. Take it at your own time, but feel your spine changing shape here. Slowly, from arching, opening, to slowly curling in. You can hold it there, arch up a little bit, and curl down a little bit more. Let the hands glide on your shin here as a guide, gently guiding you to letting the body release a little bit more. You might feel the opening of the hips now, probably a little bit more than just now. Let it gradually ease into it, ease into the movement. Our body works as one. So we want this collaboration of each part of the body to happen. It will help us to move more swiftly and smoothly. Moving your body to the front, we're going to lay down. And bring one leg up here. Pull it towards you a little bit, bend the knees and straighten. By bending the knees and straightening this way, we are gradually straightening the leg more, stretching the hamstrings dynamically without pushing it. Take your own time to bend and straighten. Let the straightening be gradual. And before you know it, your legs are straighter. Try it with both legs. Gently pulse both legs towards you. Feel the slight stretch behind your thighs and behind your knees. You might also feel your pelvis lifting from the mat a little bit. This is really good for our lower back. So leg work is not just leg work. Leg work is also spine work, release work. Bring the legs down and gently just stretch it from one side to another. Keep your legs mat width apart. You will feel a deeper stretch when your legs are placed further away from each other, but keep them both in the same line. Turning your pelvis, your head from one side to another, actually guiding by the thigh bone. And slowly come up. We're going to end this video, and thank you so much for moving with me. Let me know in the comment section below how you like movements like that, moving easily, and let the release happen gradually with less effort. Hopefully you enjoy it. I'd love to hear from you, so let me know how you feel in your body. Keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We're born to move. Like, share, subscribe. I'll appreciate that very much, and I'll see you very, very soon in the next mobility video. Take care and have a lovely day.